just wanted to demonstrate some of the new functionality available in the Microvellum 2020 build with regards to report groups. This functionality was available manually, that you were able to generate reports to a variety of formats, but the new report groups allows you to do that automatically on work order generation or work order processing, or to still generate them as groups manually as well. So one of the formats that you are able to output those reports to is an HTML format, and this allows you to view those reports on any web browser attached to your network, on any sort of computer. And so with that, we can generate some reports with links and things so that we can review those reports. So what I have here is just a work order list of all the current active work orders in my database. And if I click on one of these, you can see that they're hyperlinks here. And so if I click on one of them, I can go to the reports. And so this gives me a work order summary. So a simple work order summary that you would print on paper, you can also have on screen on any workstation on the shop floor. Then by clicking on the item number here, we can go and see a product detail report and view these items. Now these products, I've used the draw selected products as 3D with machining and generated some drawings for those products. So this image that you see here is a live actual image of that particular product with the details for that item. And so by generating those files to DWF, we can actually click on them and they are fully interactive here. So we can view those items, we can modify them as far as putting some dimensions on, moving parts around if we wanted to just see, see what's in those parts. We can move some parts out of the way, we can isolate certain parts. There's lots of different things that we can do inside of this, and select on our parts, make these things transparent. We can also mark up and measure, and so we can take a dimension on those. So if we're not sure what size that is, and we need a dimension on anything on the shop floor, we can always take that and measure between a couple of points or edges or anything like that. So we can get some good dimensions on there. We can also put notes on those items. So if we wanted to note something for a future person who's going to be looking at this, we can say this top panel was damaged, or something like that, and make those changes, and then we can save that. So now if we go back, it's going to ask us if we want to save it. We'll just save it back, and now those views will be available for the next person as well. You can see we can jump between our different items here and see any of those items, click on those to open those views, and see all the different components of our product here as well. Other things that we can do, if we go and look at those items, we can go back to our work order summary, maybe open up a different work order here, click on the items, and we can see the individual parts as well. If we just want to open the drawing files for those, have a quick look at what machining is on each individual part, we can do things like that. We can create additional links if we wanted to have reports or labels or other things that we could print from the shop floor as PDFs. We could do those sorts of things as well. So lots of functionality that's built into Microvellum already, and some of these reports and things, we can certainly look at adding those to any existing work order setup for any of our customers.